Hi students, welcome. Now how to construct a involute of a polygon. In that polygon, first one is pentagon. So our question is draw an involute of a pentagon of base side 30 mm. Also draw tangent normal at a distance 100 mm from center of the polygon. So the polygon size is, the given size is 30 mm. Clear. So therefore first we construct pentagon as per that normal construction geometrical construction procedure. First you complete pentagon, then your start point, let us consider this is 1 p 1 2 3 4 and 5. So p to 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Then from p, the 1p line will be extended. Clear. Now 2 1 line extend it. For example, in circle means the diameter perpendicular lines we drawn, but here extension lines. So 1p will be extended, 2 1 extended, then 3 2 extended, 4 3 p4 like this. Clear. So here all sides are 30 30 30, therefore from point p, so this is 30 distance, 60 distance, 90, 120, 5 parts, no, pentagon 5, so 150. So this is another end p. Clear. So in circle means we take p to 1 as the radius, 1 to p1, p to 2 as the radius, 2 to p2 like that. But here all are straight line distance, therefore p to 1, the polygon size 30 means, therefore from here to here, 1 to here p1. Next p to 2 distance 30 plus 30 60, so therefore here 30 60, so this is 0.2 like this. p3 like this, that is it is 30 distance, so here to here 30, here to here 60, 30 plus 30, here to here 90, 30 60 90 like. So p to 4, 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, 120. So from here 30 plus 30 30 30, 4 times 30. Similar case p to p1 complete revolution, 5 sides, so 1 2 3 4 5. So now, so for circle, unit of circle means free and curve, but now by using compass you take, so 1 as a center, 1 to p, that is 30 mm as a radius, you draw one arc. Okay, now 2 as a center, 60 radius. Clear. Then p3 p4 p5 you mark it. Clear. p1 p2 p3 p4. So this one is involute of polygon. Clear. Like this. Okay, right. Then how to draw a tangent normal from 100 mm on from the center of the polygon. So this is the center. How to find the center point of the polygon means, it now especially this is odd sides polygon, therefore for example any one side midpoint and its opposite corner you join it. Similarly one more, so this side midpoint and its opposite corner, so where the two lines are intersecting, this is center of the polygon O. So now draw tangent normal at a distance 100 mm from center of the pentagon or polygon. So O as a center, so in this problem 100 mm they given, therefore from here to here 100 mm. Clear. Radius 100 mm, then immediately you join, let us consider M point, you join OM. Okay, join it O to M. Clear. Then you bisect that O to M, we get S point. Now S as the center, S to M, it is 100 means 50 radius, so S as the center, 50 as the radius. You draw one semicircle, S as the center, semicircle. That semicircle, okay, where it is intersecting on that circle, but where here circle, very simple. In this case, let us assume, so for example, already we get center, so O1 equal to O2 equal to O3, O4, O5, all are same, no? So take that radius, first you form one circle, okay, that circle is passing through all the points on that pentagon, clear? For any polygon, either it's a regular or irregular, while rotating it forms a circle, no? So for that procedure, okay, so now we get the circle, here the semicircle and circle where it is intersecting here, okay, that point let us consider N. Now you join N and M and it's extended little bit, so this is normal, clear? N dash is a normal. You draw the perpendicular line, that is tangent T dash, clear? So now this is the involute of a polygon, clear? Similar procedure in case hexagon, means you draw the hexagon as per the given size, clear? Let us consider it is a starting point, you extend it 1 2 3 4 5, clear? You extend it, clear? Then same procedure, so you construct a curve, involute curve, clear? So this is the procedure. So polygon all are same, here 5 sides polygon, here 6 sides polygon, it is pentagon and it's hexagon, clear? Right, thank you.